just a short video. We just received the new products from OIL CAN Grooming. We have the grooming spray, we have the sea salt spray, and we have the styling powder. Thank you very much for OIL CAN Grooming for sending these. Now we're just going to do a little quick, have a play of them now. We're going to do a full play of them tomorrow, and also get a review up tomorrow as well for OIL CAN and for everyone that's interested in buying these. Now I've used the beard oils and I've used a few of the styling products in the past. Absolutely fantastic. There's also a review on the channel as well to take a look at. So please check these guys out. They're absolutely brilliant products. Really put the time and effort into producing these and make them look absolutely fantastic. So we'll get on with just having a play of them and see what they're like. Cheers! As you can see, Dan has the Psychobilly laptop. So normally you've got to put a bit more effort with the products that you use to get this to spike, but with this grooming tonic it spikes up nicely. Nice hold to it as well. So far, fantastic product, loving it. Now we're going to try a bit of texturing powder. I don't normally use texturing powder in this sort of style, but give it a go, see what happens. That is quality. That works absolutely fantastic for this style. I've never used the styling powder before, but to give it more of a natural look so it's not as structured as if you would spray it and stuff, having something like that through it looks absolutely brilliant. Bit more on there. I'm going to mess it up a little bit on just to get a bit more backcomb to it, or backcomb effect to it. But that there gives it a fantastic natural look. Like I say, I will have a play properly with different styles throughout the rest of today and tomorrow, and then get a video up tomorrow for showing you a bit more about them. Then I can use the surf tonic as well and go from there. The sea salt spray, even not the surf tonic. But yeah, it's a quick up and styled. So yeah, again, thank you very much OIL CAN. Absolutely brilliant product so far, and like I say, get it up tomorrow and take a look. Cheers.